This video shows how to install Yanhua Volvo CEM23 interface board. This interface board supports 2023 and 2024 Lynk Co 01, 03, 09, etc. The interface board is specifically designed for the SPC5748C chip model CEM. 1. Push the lock fastening of the interface board to the unlock position. Find the interface board installation area on the CEM according to the visual positioning mark on the interface board. 2. Align the interface board with the CEM socket and align with the two positioning holes. 3. Press the interface board downward with your fingers. Push the PCB lock buckle to the locked position to lock the interface board on the instrument. Yanhua Volvo CEM interface board has the advantages of compact size, precise pin positioning, easy installation, pin connection is firm and stable, not easy to loosen, and safer data reading and writing. Thank you for watching.